Okay. Let's try. I always see this trend dito sa TikTok. So, let's try. I have here cheesy. Wala ko makitang cheese. And then, I opened the cream cheese already. And I bought bell pepper. Let's open. Let's put it here. Here. Put it like this. Put it like this. Pour it like this. 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 Okay. Let's try. Sarap yung combination niya. It's weird, pero mahirap siya i-describe. Nangingibabaw yung cream cheese and bell pepper. Yung aftertaste niya, dun lang papasok yung cheesy. I like it. First time ko kakainin yung bell pepper ng hilaw. Pero, hindi ko alam kung depende lang sa nabili ko. Pero medyo matamis yung bell pepper na to. Pag nakita ng boyfriend ko to, hindi siya taga Pilipinas. So sabihin niya kung ano bang kinakain ng babae na to. It's weirdly good. That's the description. Weird but good. Let's eat one more. Ang expect ko sa bell pepper, maanghang siya. So, first time ko ito matatry ng hilaw. Hindi pala maanghang ang bell pepper. And, kung gusto nyo nang may konting anghang, yung bibilhin nyo na cheesy or yung Cheetos, pwedeng spicy, pwedeng hindi. Pero yung unang tinry ko, itong spicy. Kasi hindi ako, yung hindi spicy, I mean. Kasi hindi ako mahilig sa spicy. Baka hindi ko ma-enjoy yung unang try ko kung spicy agad. Nakikita ko yung iba, sobrang daming cream cheese yung nilalagay nila.